Hi, I'm Peter. For this video, we'll be going over the submaximal cycloergonomic test. For the test, we're going to go over a little setup. Right here is our stationary bike. Usually for the protocol, we would use a Monarch, but for this instance, we'll be using the stationary household bike. To obtain weight, we will use a digital scale. And for obtaining resting heart rate and exercise heart rate, we will be getting that with sphygmophonometer, the bulb, cuff, and stethoscope. We also have a timer to indicate myself 15 seconds exactly for resting heart rate and exercise heart rate. And also a calculator to calculate VO2 and VO2 max for the subject for methods A and B. And then finally, we will use a metronome off of my phone, and the metronome will be used for the 50 reps per minute for the test protocol. And finally, the individual data sheet. My subject today is Katie. The first thing that we're going to go over is some individual data that we're going to put into the individual data sheet to figure out what protocol she will use, and also for later calculations with the methods. So Katie, what is your sex?
I'm female.
Female. Age?
54.
Height?
5'10".
Weight?
About 165.
Okay. So based off of her individual data, we can say that from her weight, that she would be within the 160 to 199 weight range. So Katie, do you exceed 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise a week?
No.
Okay. So from that, we can conclude that the protocol to use is protocol A. So now would be the time to tell her that the test is going to continuously happen. She's going to go through a 3-minute warm-up where she's going to work at 0 kilograms of weight, and then she's going to increase to 0.5 kilograms of resistance, and then 1 kilogram of resistance for stages 1 to 2, and then she's going to go through a recovery period as well. So now that all this has happened, we're going to set up the bike. The bike is set up so that right now it would actually be set up where her leg would be at 15 to 5 degrees. But for right now with the stationary bike, this is as high as the seat can go, so she's at pretty much optimal for this bike's sake. Okay, so Katie, right now all I'm going to do is get your resting heart rates and resting blood pressure. So her resting blood pressure was 132/90. And now we will use the timer for 15 seconds to get her resting heart rate from the radial artery. clutch of your hand and do this. Okay, you can relax, bring it down. Okay. So your resting heart rate was 60 beats per minute. Now that I've obtained her resting heart rate and resting blood pressure, now all I need to do is tell her that she's going to do 50 reps per minute on the stationary bike. This will be for the warm up, and that for the entire time she's going to try to keep this this pace the entire time. So, the metronome is already set at 50, and she's going to go by every little click that goes on. You can probably hear it better when it's closer. So Katie, every time that clicks, I want you to do one spin of the bike, and you're going to be doing this for 3 minutes. So you can start your warm up now.